Psalm 23, version 1. God our Shepherd. My shepherd is the living Lord. Now shall my wants be well supplied. His providence and holy word become my safety and my guide. In pastures where salvation grows, He makes me feed, He makes me rest. There living water gently flows, and all the foods divinely blessed. My wandering feet His ways mistake, but He restores my soul to peace, and leads me for His mercy's sake in the fair paths of righteousness. Though I walk through the gloomy vale where death and all its terrors are, my heart and hope shall never fail, for God my shepherd's with me there. Amidst the darkness and the deeps, Thou art my comfort, Thou my stay. Thy staff supports my feeble steps, Thy rod directs my doubtful way. The sons of earth and sons of hell gaze at Thy goodness and repine to see my table spread so well with living bread and cheerful wine. How I rejoice when on my head Thy Spirit condescends to rest! 'Tis a divine anointing shed like oil of gladness at a feast. Surely the mercies of the Lord attend His household all their days. There will I dwell to hear His word, to seek His face and sing His praise. Psalm 23, version 2. The same. My shepherd will supply my need, Jehovah is His name. In pastures fresh He makes me feed beside the living stream. He brings my wandering spirit back when I forsake His ways, and leads me for His mercy's sake in paths of truth and grace. When I walk through the shades of death, Thy presence is my stay. A word of Thy supporting breath drives all my fears away. Thy hand, in spite of all my foes, doth still my table spread. My cup with blessings overflows, Thine oil anoints my head. The sure provisions of my God attend me all my days. O may Thy house be mine abode, and all my work be praise. There would I find a settled rest, while others go and come. No more a stranger or a guest, but like a child at home. Psalm 23, version 3. The same. The Lord my shepherd is, I shall be well supplied. Since He is mine and I am His, what can I want beside? He leads me to the place where heavenly pasture grows, where living waters gently pass and full salvation flows. If e'er I go astray, He doth my soul reclaim, and guides me in His own right way for His most holy name. While He affords His aid, I cannot yield to fear. Though I should walk through death's dark shade, my shepherd's with me there. In spite of all my foes, Thou dost my table spread. My cup with blessings overflows, and joy exalts my head. The bounties of Thy love shall crown my following days, nor from Thy house will I remove, nor cease to speak Thy praise. End of Psalm.